Okay, so welcome again on next important topic of Indian polity. By now you must have started enjoying polity as a subject, and these all topics of general studies are linked together. They are very interesting, and the best way to get mastery of general studies or non-technical part is every day you need to revise little bit of the topics every day and keep making the linkages. These topics are very simple, they are not difficult, but you need to make the linkages. So slow and study win the race. That is true for non-technical part. So don't one day sit with 5 hours on non-technical. Do every day half an hour, 45 minutes, and try to understand this. And it is more recognition based. Even if you do not recall, just suppose this topic where I'm going to discuss with you that what sources Indian constitution took, I mean, from which other constitution of the world Indian constitution took, what are the various provisions. So even if you don't recall that from where we have taken it, in the exam when multiple choice is given, you can recognize there. So that actually reading helps you there. So let me now go here for this topic, that is what are the various features which Indian constitution has taken from other constitution of the world. As we've already discussed that constituent assembly took almost 3 years, 12 days, less than 3 years. They almost took 3 years to make such a lengthy and detailed written document. It is the lengthiest document in the world, lengthiest constitution in the world, and they consulted so many constitution of the world at that time. No doubt, starting from Regulating Act 1773 to Government of India Act 1947, British, to be specific, Government of India Act 1935, British have made Indian constitutional structure for us, because and that not only British but even Indians were involved into this process. So we evolved, our constitution evolved all these hundreds of years. It is not only 3 years we could make it, because I'm going to discuss with you that larger portion of our constitution was taken from Government of India Act 1935, and before that there was a Government of India Act 1919, and then before that Indian Council Act 1909, before that 1892, before that 1861, before that 1858, and we started from 1773. So Indian constitution evolve हुआ है all these years, तब जाके हमारे पास इतना लेंथी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मिला. अब एग्जाम में एक क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली that from which country this feature is taken. In Indian constitution there is a fundamental right, there is fundamental duty, there is directive principle of state policy, there is a judiciary system, there is a parliament system, there is a presidential impeachment. So from where we have taken these features? At the end I'm going to give you a small table which you need to memorize, and exam may question 90% time question will come from there, and this is something which is very important topic also. So let us start now. Before I start, I want to quote chief architect or main architect or father of Indian constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. What he said in his one of the statement, he said, Constitution of India has been framed after ransacking all known constitutions of the world. Ransacking is the word he used. Ransacking means सारे तरफ से मैंने खगोल दिया अच्छे तरीके से. I searched everywhere. So all the constitution of the world I searched to write the constitution for India. That was the statement of Dr. Ambedkar. So this he basically tells you that how much effort was done to refer various constitutions. So what was the best thing at that time in different constitution of the world, and comparative analysis was done, and then we made the constitution for us. That reflects the kind of effort our forefathers, constituent assembly, they have put to create such a wonderful document for us. And even if we want to find out something in the market, we go to different shops. So you understand, we were writing constitution for us. So referring constitution, and all these experts in the constituent assembly, they were referring this. So many committees were formed, and that is how we got this kind of constitution. So before I start from which country we got what, let me tell you, most of the provisions which our constitution presently has is they are from Government of India Act 1935. I have already explained to you in one of the videos that Government of India Act 1935 was a result of discussions done in round table conferences. 30, 31, 32, Indian National Congress only presented itself through Mahatma Gandhi in second roundtable conference, and roundtable conferences held in London were result of the white paper released by Simon Commission report. Simon Commission visited India in 1927, and Simon Commission was constituted under the statutory requirement of Indian Council Act 1919. तो ये एक लिंक बनता है. सो 1935 में जो लिखा गया था, दो 1939 में वर्ल्ड वॉर स्टार्ट हो गया, एंड 1935 के मेजॉरिटी फीचर्स वर नॉट इंप्लीमेंटेड एवर, बट द डॉक्यूमेंट in its form, 60% of that we basically use that in present day constitution. You know, then what are the most important things from this Government of India Act? That means the federal scheme. अभी फेडरेशन होता क्या है वो बाद में डिस्कस करूंगा मैं. रफली ये समझ लो, फेडरेशन simply means there will be coexistence of central government also and state government also. State governments will also be there, central governments will also be there. Typical federation is American federation, where states have a value. I mean, there are 50 states and center cannot touch the states. I mean, states will exist. They have existence. In India's case, states do not have much existence. I mean, center can change the name, boundary, and existence of the states. So I will discuss with you later on, but federation, as of now, you simply understand coexistence of center and states both. So federation feature was taken from Government of India Act 1935. Fundamental right was taken from USA, DPSP, directive principle from Ireland, parliamentary form of government, cabinet form of government from British Constitution. So these are some of the most important things related to our constitution from where we have borrowed. Now I'm going to discuss with you in detail and what is the most important part of this. So let us now go. First is Government of India Act 1935. So from Government of India Act 1935, what we have taken is a federal scheme. ये एक word याद रखना यार. Other day I was discussing with you Government of India Act 1935 in the evolution of constitution. There I told you that this word federal was very much used in that particular Government of India Act 1935. Federal court, federal basically public service commission. So federal word was used, and it wanted to create a federation, but princely states said we don't want to be part of federation. So Government of India Act 1935 से अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा तो फेडरेशन वर्ड आएगा. रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड. द रेस्ट थिंग्स आई डोंट थिंक इज गोइंग टू बी आस्क्ड. पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफ यू गो टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935, it basically proposed to create federal public service commission, federal court, something like that. So these features were obviously taken from there. Now come to so if he asks you which of the following gives largely the content to your present day constitution, that is Government of India Act 35. So it's 60% of present day constitution was taken from there. Now British constitution gave you what? Parliamentary government. You know, Britain may also there is a parliamentary government. That means there is a parliament, and prime minister is a member of parliament, and he is the real executive. So that entire feature was taken from UK. Rule of law. That, you know, British ruled our country and they made the legal system very, very strong. So entire rule, whatever we are following, actually is followed from, taken from British only. So cabinet system, parliamentary system, rule of law, these things you remember. Writ is, you know, when we appeal in front of judiciary, we apply, we request the judiciary, that is called writ. So this entire thing we have taken from British Constitution. Parliamentary form, rule of law, cabinet system, writs, this entire thing is taken from British system. USA हमने क्या लिया? We have taken fundamental rights, independence of judiciary. Judicial review is something which is very, very important. You know, entire power of judiciary is something which we have taken from America. Judicial review means, I have told you earlier also that protection of constitution and protection of the fundamental rights of the citizens is the duty of judiciary. Supreme Court is under the obligation to protect our fundamental rights and to protect the constitution as a document also. Who can change constitution? Who can amend constitution? Legislature, parliament. And who will check whether that change is not going to spoil the basic structure of constitution? Supreme Court. And what is basic structure of constitution? Who is going to define that? Again, Supreme Court. So Constitution of India ने अपनी प्रोटेक्शन का काम किसको दे दिया? जुडिशरी को। अपने आप को चेंज करने का काम किसको दे दिया? लेजिस्लेचर को। और जो मैंने लिखा है उसको इंप्लीमेंट करने का काम किसको दे दिया? एग्जीक्यूटिव को। सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया इज अ बुक विच सेज ओके यू कैन चेंज मी, अमेंड मी। किसको बोला? लेजिस्लेचर को, पार्लियामेंट को। स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली नहीं, पार्लियामेंट को। ओके प्लीज चेक दैट व्हाट चेंज ही इज डूइंग is as per my spirit or not. He should not change me totally. खत्म ही कर दिया, पूरा हटा ही दिया। समथिंग लाइक 42nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1976 में इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा चेंजेस एग्जीक्यूटिव कर जाए, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। प्रोटेक्शन करना है जुडिशरी को। सो जुडिशरी कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करती है? जुडिशियल रिव्यू, जो भी लॉ बनेगा, वट एवर लॉ पार्लियामेंट विल मेक, जुडिशरी कैन चेक दैट whether it is right or not, is it in the spirit of constitution or not. If judiciary says no, तो law invalid हो जाएगा, void हो जाएगा, null and void हो जाएगा, it will not be then held true. So that is judicial review किससे लिया? US constitution से लिया। fundamental rights किससे उठाए? judicial हमने US constitution से। judiciary independent होनी चाहिए, ये US constitution से। अच्छा, president की impeachment, president can be impeached. impeachment is a term normally used for president only. बाकियों के लिए टर्म यूज्ड इज रिमूवल। इंपीचमेंट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट अगेन वी हैव टेकन फ्रॉम यूएस। रिमूवल, आई टोल्ड यू ना, इंपीचमेंट इज अ वर्ड यूज्ड फॉर प्रेसिडेंट, बाकियों के लिए रिमूवल, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, जजेस, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एटसेट्रा, उनका रिमूवल भी हमने वहीं से लिया। तो यूएस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से हमने ये चीजों को उठाया। सो ब्रिटिश से क्या उठाया? पार्लियामेंट, कैबिनेट, रूल ऑफ लॉ, रिट, समथिंग लाइक दैट। और यूएस से क्या उठाया? फंडामेंटल राइट, जुडिशरी की पावर, जजेस की पावर, उनको इंपीच करना। आयरिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से हमने क्या उठाया? आयरलैंड से डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी एंड नॉमिनेशन ऑफ द मेंबर्स टू राज्यसभा एंड मेथड ऑफ इलेक्शन ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट। यू नो, नॉट एवरी पॉइंट इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट। दैट सपोज यू आस्क मी कि सर आयरिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से मैक्सिमम टाइम क्वेश्चन क्या आ सकता है? आई विल से डीपीएसपी, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी, किससे उठाया? आयरलैंड से। यूएस से क्या आएगा? सर फंडामेंटल राइट किससे उठाए? जुडिशियल रिव्यू किससे उठाया? दैट इज देयर। या कैबिनेट, पार्लियामेंट, रूल ऑफ लॉ, federation. So you need to remember one or two words. So one or two words you need to remember. I'm going to give you that table at the end, but the other things are also can be asked, right? Canadian constitution से हमने बताया federation with a strong center. As I told you, US federation is states are very strong. Center cannot touch the states. States are strong, they have their own existence. Why? Because US was formed as a country when states came together. Earlier there were 13 colonies, they came together and they formed a country for them. But in country like India, first center came and then from center states were created. Don't you know, we created Telangana, we created Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. Earlier they were combined states. Earlier it was Andhra Pradesh, from where center created Telangana. That means center can create state and destroy also state. Destroy means merge कर सकता है, नाम भी change कर सकता है। तो states are not that powerful. So strong center है federation में, that we have taken from Canada. Residuary powers will be with the center. I mean there are three lists I told you, no, union list, state list, concurrent list. So if some subject is beyond these lists, then that will go to residuary, and residuary power will be with the center. So advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court, I mean Supreme Court can give advice to the president. That advisory jurisdiction is also taken from Canadian constitution. Australian constitution say we have taken concurrent list. That thing we have taken from this, and joint sitting of two houses, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, will sit together jointly to basically discuss some bill, that we have taken from Australian constitution. So these are some basically features taken from others. And now let's come to some more. German Weimar constitution, you know, German से Weimar constitution से हमने लिया हुआ है emergency के time पे how fundamental rights are to be suspended. You know, when there is an emergency, article 352, article 360, financial emergency, so fundamental rights can be suspended. That we have taken from German constitution. Now what we have taken from Soviet, earlier Soviet Union, Russia, before 1991 it was called USSR. तो फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज जो हमने उठाई हुई हैं वो हमने वहां से उठाई हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड? दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टेकन. एंड द वर्ड सोशल, सोशलिस्ट is we have taken from in our preamble from USSR only. USSR is was a socialist country. फ्रेंच से हमने क्या लगाया है? लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी. Liberty, equality, fraternity word in preamble we have taken from French constitution. South Africa se we have taken power amendment प्रोसीजर आर्टिकल 368 में how to amend the constitution that we have taken from South Africa, and also election of members of Rajya Sabha. So that is not important, but amendment procedure of constitution that we have taken from South Africa. So what is we have taken from Japanese constitution, this is not very important. Now these were the most important things which we have discussed. Now I come to what you need to keep in your mind. आपने क्या याद रखना है? तो बताओ भाई, यूएस से क्या उठाया? सर फंडामेंटल राइट यूएस से उठाए। यूके से क्या उठाया? पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट हमने वहां से उठाया। फ्रांस से क्या उठाया? लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी उठाया। कनाडा से क्या उठाया? सर फेडरेशन विद स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंटर उठाया। आयरलैंड से क्या उठाया? सर डीपीएसपी आयरलैंड से उठाया। जर्मन से क्या उठाया? सर सस्पेंशन ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स ड्यूरिंग इमरजेंसी हमने जर्मन से उठाया। नाउ दिस इज माय टेबल व्हिच आई एम गिविंग टू यू। You know, you need to revise this 99% of the time. If exam mein question comes from which country we have taken what feature, that will be from this table. So Government of India Act 35, federal system we have taken from there. British से rule of law, parliamentary system, cabinet system. US से क्या उठाया? Fundamental right, independence of judiciary, judicial review. आयरलैंड से क्या उठाया? डीपीएसपी। कनाडा से फेडरेशन विद स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंटर। ऑस्ट्रेलिया से कंकरेंट लिस्ट। वेमर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से इमरजेंसी प्रोविजंस। यूएसएसआर फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज। फ्रेंच से लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी। साउथ अफ्रीका से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट हमने साउथ अफ्रीका से उठाया। हाउ टू अमेंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। आई एम वेरी श्योर दिस स्मॉल टॉपिक्स, जो लास्ट की स्लाइड है उसको पढ़ लेना, एग्जाम में पॉजिटिवली क्वेश्चन आता है। फाइन। सो व्हाट फीचर्स वी हैव टेकन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द world, from different countries, that topic we have done. Thank you.